Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro is not working properly, like if it is not unlocking, not connecting or showing any kind of errors, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you the most common problems and how you can fix them quickly. So first of all, if the lock is not responding at all, you just have to simply take a look at the batteries. You need to replace the batteries with the new alkaline ones. Then remove the batteries for at least 1 to 2 minutes and reinsert them. Even if battery shows full, poor contact can cause the failure. Now, if the lock not unlocking or motor not moving, you can try locking, unlocking manually with the key. You can also check if the dead bolts move smoothly. If there is resistance, it's likely an alignment issue or friction. Now, if the dead bolt jammed and it is showing any error, you just have to open the door. After that, you just have to test it again, loosen screws slightly and make sure that the latch aligns properly. Even small misalignment can trigger the false jam errors. Now, if the application can't connect it, you just have to move the router close to the lock, then simply restart the router, reduce the number of connected devices. The weak or crowded Wi-Fi can cause the connection failures. If the keypad and the sensors are not working properly, make sure that you clean the keypad and the sensors. Also check the wire connection if it is recently installed. Loose connections between inside and outside units can cause this particular issue. So if nothing works, the last option would be of resetting it. For that, you just have to simply press the reset button and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then you need to set the lock again. This is going to fix most of the software and the syncing related issues, but you will have to basically do the resetting process again when you reset it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.